What is happening? Today I received my Bassani Road Rage 2-into-1 Road Rage 2 short, and we're gonna do an unboxing, so let's do it. I'm pretty excited. So yeah, I was really excited to open these and check them out. You know, I saw them online, I did my research, and they looked pretty cool. You know, I'm a big Thunderheaders fan. I don't know how many times I gotta say that. Maybe too much, right? But anyway, you know, I was really excited to see them and see how closely they resembled the Thunderheaders, but at the same time, I was really excited to try something new, and I wasn't disappointed. You see it? Good enough. Bassanis. Look at that. That's just beautiful. We got the Road Rage 2 short, packaged up really nice. All the hardware, mounting brackets, there's the actual pipes. Good, they have O2 sensors. My bike has O2 sensors on it. Excellent. Beautiful. One thing I didn't mention is the heat shields are included. They're right there on the pipe, so you have everything that you need right there in the box. No need to buy anything separately. So yeah, guys, that was it. Those are the Bassanis. I'm super excited that they showed up, and I'm even more excited to get them installed. So once I get them installed, what I'm going to do is take a ride, and I have my Cena 50C camera on my helmet now, and I'll narrate like you know, what the butt torque feels like, what it feels like to pull it at about 40 miles an hour, just the general overall impression that I get from them. So yeah, looking forward to that. All right, I'll catch up with you guys later.